Yesterday we did major and minor thirds ascending, going up. And today we're going to be doing major and minor thirds descending or going down. Now, yesterday I said that I was going to give you a song to attach to the upwards intervals. We have What Child Is This? We have green sleeves for the minor third. And we have Oh, when the saints go marching in for the major third. What I am not going to give you is a melody going down, because I think that just gets overly complicated and messy. I'll give you little tunes for the intervals going up, but not for the ones going down. Because when you listen to the intervals going down, you can do it a little extra mental calculation. When you hear that last tone, I want you to vocalize its opposite. So if you hear, I want you to vocalize ba, ba. You can do this literally out loud. Once you get better at this, you can just flip it in your head, and that works just as well. Ba, ba. Oh, that's when the saints go marching in. Ba, ba, da, da. That must be a major third. You can do the same thing descending. Vocalize it, starting from the last note. Ba, ba. Oh, ba, 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 ba. Oh, that sounds like green sleeves, so that's going to be a minor third. So I'll give you a little bit of extra time in between each exercise to give you a chance to vocalize it as a flip and then identify the interval. Okay, so we're just going to go through a bunch of them. That's a minor third. Ba, 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 bum. That's a major third. When. This is a major third. This is a minor third. This is a minor third. That's a minor third. Major third. Minor third. That's a major third. That's a major third. Two more. That's a minor third. And that's a major third.